Install utilities with greater efficiency and accuracy using Toro's P105 vibratory plow, available only for the Toro RT1200 riding trencher. The Toro P105 plow features multiple on-the-fly adjustment options, steer, swing, and plow blade attitude adjustment. These features provide operators with maximum maneuverability for fast product installation as ground conditions change. Plow swing allows the operator to move the entire plow up to 30 degrees left and right of center of the RT1200 in order to reach the desired installation location without having to reposition the machine. The P105 blade can also steer 30 degrees left and right of center to avoid obstacles while continuing to pull in product. Combined, the plow and plow blade steer features provide the operator with precise control to ensure accurate installation of the product in line with the intended plan. And the plow blade angle itself can be adjusted hydraulically on the fly, 16 degrees fore and aft from center, to change plow blade attitude up to 32 degrees. Adjusting the pitch allows the operator to maintain smooth plowing and installation depth as ground conditions change. When accurate and efficient cable, conduit, or wire installation is key to your bottom line, the Toro P105 vibratory plow delivers.